What time is it?
3:10. That was fun. Let's not do it again.
Try again.
That was fun.
Futurama's on TV. We're gonna go to the gym in a little bit, but we ate, so we're gonna kind of wait for a little bit and then work out. It's only 8. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock, so good time. Probably around 8:30 we'll go down and get a nice little workout in. I am done with class for the week, so I don't have class until Monday, but I need to get a lot of work done before Monday, so got a lot of reading to do for a presentation I have next Saturday, believe it or not, so yeah.
Was there a point during your many weddings that you thought, I'm done with these weddings? Yes.
Wait, many weddings?
Look at the bill.
Did they hide the comeback? Like, what time is it?
3:10.
In the AM. How can the elevators be broken? Like,
Because they need the company to reset them.
oh, and they didn't. Oh no, not the firefighters. Like the great. Many flights, so the internet doesn't know our floor. It is more than 10. What the hell? All right.
That was fun. Let's not do it again.
Try again.
That was fun. Let's not do it again.
Too many steps.
Lots of stairs.
What time is it?
3:24. So actually not a bad turnaround.
No. Yeah, 3:10 to
All
3:24.
things considered. There was no fire though. It was a glitch. So
Oh,
yay,
is that what they said?
Yeah, that's what I overheard.
Yeah,
Yay.
but the elevators were
But
not.
then the elevators didn't work to go back up, so lots of climbing.
Lots and lots of climbing, but we were lucky. We were one of the floors.
Yeah, some of the other floors have to like wait to get their thing unlocked, but ours was open for some reason, which is convenient. So, okay, bedtime.
Good night.
I love you.
Love you.
We've got a chapeau.
Chapeau.
Hat.
No, that's not a toque. This is a chapeau. Night, yo.
Night, yo.
Tried to
Like
rhyme.
night, yo.
I tried to, rhyme it with chapeau, and also I'm wearing a hat.
What is it actually? Nayo?
Hmm?
Oh, what is it in Chinese?
Hat?
Yeah.
Mao Tzu.
Mao Tzu.
You said it like a French person.
That's what I always do.
Good night!